Jai Sri Krishna. Today I am going to explain an important as well as interesting topic in the trigonometry, that is small angles and half angles. Means 15 degrees, 7.5 degrees, comma 22 and half degrees. 15. First of all, we have to find 15 degrees. By using that we can calculate the remaining angles. Now 15 degrees, we can write it as 60 minus 45 or 45 minus 30 degrees. We can write like this. We are taking one of them. Now sine 15 degrees, that equal to sine of 60 minus 45 I am taking, that equal to, this is the form of sine of a minus b, that is sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here a equal to 60 degrees and b equal to 45 degrees that we are taking. Now substituting the values, sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into cos 45 value 1 by root 2 minus cos 60 value 1 by 2 into sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Now finding LCM, root 3 by 2 root 2 this fraction minus this is 1 by 2 root 2 another fraction. By finding LCM, you can get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of sin 15. Next one, cos 15. That we are taking cos of another value is there, 45 minus 30. This time I am taking this. This is in the form of cos of a minus b. Formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now write the values. Sin 45 cos 45 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2 into sin 30 1 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. By finding LCM, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is cos 15. Next one, tan 15 is required. Tan 15, that is nothing but sin 15 by cos 15, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 whole by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. You can cancel 2 root 2 2 root 2. Now root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is there, that too I am rationalizing this, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. The numerator is in the form of a minus b into a minus b, that is nothing but root 3 minus 1 whole square. The denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is this is expanding in the a plus b whole square form, a square root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 3 plus 1 whole by 3 minus 1, that is 4 the root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 1 whole by 2, that equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4 minus 2 root 2 whole by 2. Taking 2 common from the numerator, 2 into 2 minus root 2 whole by 2. You can cancel these two 2's, then answer is 2 minus root 2. Then after, we are calculating half angles, 7.5 degrees. Sin A by 2 equal to, this is the formula, root of 1 minus cos A whole by 2. Cos A by 2. This is the formula, 1 plus cos A whole by 2. Tan A by 2. Sin A by 2 by cos A by 2, that is 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A whole root. Now next one, sin 22 and half. Sin 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 2. This is sin 45 by 2. Again we are substituting the same formula, that is root of cos part 1 minus cos 45 whole by 2. Now substituting the values in that case, root of 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole by 2. That is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Next one, cos 22 and half. That is cos 45 by 2. Substituting in the formula, root of 1 plus cos 45 by 2, that is 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole by 2. Finding LCM, root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Next one, tan 22 and half. Sin 22 and half by cos 22 and half, that is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 whole by root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. This will cancel. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Rationalizing this, root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Rationalizing the denominator, then this will be like this. That is root 2 minus 1 whole square by root 2 square minus 1, that is root under root, that is root 2 minus 1. That is the value of tan 22 and half. Now we are finding sin 7 and half. Now sin of 15 by 2. We are applying in the formula root of 1 minus cos 15 whole by 2. But cos 15 equal to how much? We will calculate separate here. Cos 15 equal to cos of 45 minus 30, that is cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. Write the values, 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. We are substituting in this place. 1 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under root whole by 2. Now find the LCM, 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by This will be come down, that is 4 root 2 under root. Next one, cos 7 and half, that is 1 plus cos 15 by 2 under root. Cos 15 value, root of 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole by 2. Now finding LCM, 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. This is the value of cos 7 and half. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe with your near and dear. Thank you.